Yeah, bumps and rocks.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room, ain't no cloud. We can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price. We'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bumps and ranks come from mash up the place.
Hello folks, welcome to another of our Taste Buds episode, and today I am making my SEAMOSS, guys. Yeah, and this is dried SEAMOSS that I bought in my local West Indian store that's close by me, and this package is enough to basically make about 3 ounces, I think, of SEAMOSS, but I'm gonna use up all of it. So the SEAMOSS comes dried, guys, and you just pour it in a container. And remember, SEAMOSS is literally seaweed, and you're gonna just pour some water on it, and immediately you can see that sediments and stuff comes up. You can wash that out, which is what I'm gonna do. You know, you're gonna pour some water on it, and you're just gonna try to clean it a little bit. But the idea is you're gonna wash off this first water and then pour more water on it and leave that to soak for about 15 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So there you have it. This is gonna be left to soak for about 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. And the most important thing is, guys, you have to put enough water in there to basically cover your SEAMOSS, because your SEAMOSS is gonna rise up, or it's gonna, when it is rehydrated, it's gonna sort of double in size. All right, so you're gonna need to put enough water in there to cover your SEAMOSS. Give yourself about maybe about 1 inch of water to cover your SEAMOSS. All right, and then when it's risen, we're gonna start the cleaning process and picking, and make sure we get out all the sediments and the dirt and everything, and then we move to the next level. Okie dokie. So it's been about an hour, and as you can see, guys, my SEAMOSS is almost, it's more than double in size. When we started out with 85 gram package from Caribbean Flavors, and guys, you can get SEAMOSS in different sizes and stuff. I just picked up this one at my local West Indian store, yes, F&M Farm store in Miami Gardens, and we just put it in for, it's been about an hour, and it has doubled in size. Now let me just give you an update. During that hour, I really went ahead and tried to clean my SEAMOSS a little bit. So I changed the water maybe the 1 time or 2 times. Yes, I changed the water and pick out a lot of the little stuff that was in your SEAMOSS. And guys, look at that, look at that. It doubled in sizes, guys, and I promise you, this looks like what I had in the package, this little size here. But if you notice, you know, it's sort of stretch, and look at that. And now the SEAMOSS is all springy, and it is great. And I'm gonna leave it in the water a little bit longer. And let me tell you something, guys, I don't boil my SEAMOSS. Many persons boil their SEAMOSS, and that's okay with them, but I don't boil my SEAMOSS because I believe that the nutrients and all of that in the SEAMOSS get boiled out. So I just process my SEAMOSS for a couple hours in my container like this, and then I go to blend it, and blend it in a good blender that, you know, you get a fine mesh blend, and I throw the water off. You can use the water to water plants or other things I've heard on YouTube, you know, but you don't use the water. And I'm gonna also add a lime. Yeah, just squeeze some lime to it now, and just allow this lime to just, you know, stay there and do its thing. Yeah, and I believe the lime helps with the flavoring of the SEAMOSS, and also part of the cleaning, whatever micro dirt or whatever microbes or whatever is in it, it helps to clean it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this for a couple more hours, and then we can get into the blending of the SEAMOSS, because I got a nice little recipe going with my SEAMOSS. So see you in a little bit. So yeah, it's been a little while. I had my Irish moss covered, and now we're just gonna start to add it to the blender. It's now really gelatin like, and I'm gonna save this water that is in now and use it to help blend the Irish moss. So let me try. Some SEAMOSS gel drinks right now when we're done. So yeah, let me just put this down and show you. Yeah, see there? Yeah, with dried SEAMOSS, and it turned into SEAMOSS gel. Yeah, so guys, we all can do it, and the cost was relatively inexpensive for this little bag. $1.99, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you get
$1.99.
that much SEAMOSS?
Yeah, with some spare, with some leftover. And guys, this can stay in the fridge for a good while. Trust me. And a teaspoon of it, or a tablespoon of SEAMOSS in your smoothie, you know, or if you want to take it straight. This is not sweetened, no sugar is added to this, so it's good to add into anything, and you're good to go. So the thing said.
Remember they said that it has 90 of the 90 something, or
93
80.
of the 114. So something like that. 93 of the 114 vitamins and minerals
that the
body needs. So
or is made up of, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yardie belly thing. Peace, love, soul. A joke.
Alright, so there you have it, you guys. Our 4 basic ingredients to make this amazing SEAMOSS gel. You have your dried SEAMOSS, nutmeg, Angostura bitters, and vanilla. And yeah, remember to like, rate, subscribe, and comment, and tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV. Talk to you on our next video, and be safe.